having more value in your home is great, right? But what are the best renovations that make your time more enjoyable in your home while simultaneously increasing the value of your home? Hey there, it's Hillary Ryan from Blue Coast Realty, ready to spill the beans on that very topic. These are some of the best renovation projects that add value to your home. Starting off with the heart of any home, the kitchen. Give it a makeover with some new appliances, trendy countertops, and chic cabinets. It doesn't just up the value, but imagine cooking in a space that feels like a culinary dream. Bathrooms are next on the list. Trade that tired sink or toilet for something more modern. It's all about the little things and those little changes that not only refresh your mornings, but get you a better price tag if you ever decide to sell. Now picture this, an outdoor living space where you can sip on your morning coffee or have dinner under the stars. A deck or a patio does just that. It's an extension of your vibe outdoors. Speaking of a vibe, windows play a huge role. If you swap out old ones for energy efficient versions, your wallet will thank you, and so will your energy bill. So, you save money while you live there, and a great selling feature. Of course, never underestimate the power of paint. Neutral shades are like a universal charm. They set the mood right and are a hit when you're considering to sell. And if you've got some space, maybe think about a little home office or reading nook. Always remember, when sprucing up, think of what makes you happy in your space and what future buyers might love. Blend the two and you've got a win-win. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.